Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we set photo wallpaper in our Samsung mobile. Friends, you want to set your photo wallpaper in your Samsung phone, so friends you can set. And friends, now let's see how to set photo wallpaper. So before starting video, friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So guys, now let's see. First of all, guys, you will have to click any photo, and guys, you have already photo. So guys, you can take that one photo. So example for guys, I will click photos. After click photo guys, open your phone setting guys. Then guys scroll it. Wallpaper setting guys, tap you. Click on guys gallery option. Once you can see your camera wallpaper setting. So once you have guys your photos wallpaper guys, tap you. And you will tap you. And guys done option. Once you can see lock screen, home and lock screen where you want to set guys your photo wallpaper. So we want to set into guys home and lock screen both of here. So guys tap here. Guys tap here again. Then guys you can see guys your photo wallpaper will set home and lock screen. So like that guys you can set your photo wallpaper in your Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.